Hello students and welcome back. This is Swati Pant, English teacher, and today I will be reteaching you class 3rd English Literature Unit 2 Chapter 1 Bird Talk. Students, we have already done the explanation earlier, so I will be giving you a summary of this chapter now, and we will also discuss the difficult words of the chapter with the meanings. So this chapter is all about two birds who are talking to each other. Who are these two birds? Robin and Jay. Robin and Jay are sitting in the garden and they are having a conversation about human beings. In this poem, poet Eileen Fisher depicts Robin and Jay, two birds talking about human beings in a funny way. Robin and Jay are sitting in garden and they are gossiping about human beings. They urge each other to think about people. The birds are really fascinated by the way how human beings grow up. So they are really fascinated at how the human beings grow up in size, how they are very small in the beginning when they are born, and then they become bigger and bigger, how they grow up. They think people not grow feathers, and it is very funny to look at them without feathers because the birds are having feathers. So they are finding it very funny and unusual and weird that why human beings do not grow feathers. People do not eat beetles. They also do not grow wings. So human beings cannot fly like birds. This is also very different for them because people do not eat beetles. Birds eat beetles. And they also do not grow wings. So they cannot fly like birds. They do not sit on wires or strings like the birds do. This is also very different behavior of human beings. So the birds are really amused with the odd habits of the mankind. They are just wondering why people are so much different, and that's why they are finding it really funny. They are amused and they are finding it very funny how people are totally different from the birds. So this is all about the chapter, this poem, students. Now the overview I have shared with you. Now let us discuss the important word meanings of this chapter. Now let us discuss the word meanings. First one is robin, a small bird with red feathers on its chest. You can see the picture in the poem. Jay, again another bird with blue feathers in the wings or tail. Feathers means soft light parts covering a bird's body. Beetle is a black insect with a hard covering on its back. Beetle is eaten by birds. Wire means a metal string on which the birds sit, or otherwise it is used for electronic purposes also. Funny means having fun. Coming to the question answers of this chapter. Question 1. Name the two birds in the poem. Which are the two birds in the poem? Robin and Jay are the two birds in the poem. Question 2. What are the three things that people can't do? What are the three things? The people can't have feathers, they can't sit on wires and things, and also they can't eat beetles. These are the three things that people can't do. Question 3. What do birds think of people? The birds think that the people are funny. So this is the exercise of this chapter, students. Question answers and difficult words we have completed. I am done with the reteaching. In case you have any doubts or queries, you can reach out to me and let me know. Thank you.